Hi everyone, today we're going to be learning about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are very similar to mathematical arithmetic operators. So over here you can see another program. At the top as usual is what we're going to learn today. Then the rules and lastly the program. Today we'll be learning about arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentation, modulus, and flow division. So I'll just comment this print statement. So here I've defined a variable called adding numbers and set it to 5 plus 3. And I can just uncomment this. So when I run this, it's saying 8 because 5 plus 3 is 8. After that we've got subtraction. So I can comment this print statement. So here I've got a variable called subtracting numbers and set it to 10 minus 2. And then I'm printing it. So when I run this, it's again 8 because 10 minus 2 is 8. Then after that we've got multiplication. So I can comment this and uncomment this. So here I've got a variable called multiplying numbers and set it to 5 times 3. And then when I run this, it's saying 15 because 5 times 3 is 15. After that we've got division. So I can comment this print statement and uncomment this one. So I've defined a variable called dividing numbers and set it to 10 divided by 2. And then I'm printing it. So when I run this, it's saying 5 because 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then we have exponentiation. So I can comment this print statement and uncomment this one. So here I've got a variable called a and set it to 10. After that I've got a variable called b and set it to 5. Then I've got a variable called exponent and set it to a. Then this is the exponentiation sign. So a exponentiation b, and then I'm printing it. So when I run this is the result. And this is because exponentiation basically means raising the power. So a is 10 and b is 5. So the number on the right side is the power and the number on the left side is the main number. So over here I'm basically raising 10 to the power 5 and the result I get is this. After that we've got modulus. So I can comment this one and uncomment this one. So here I've got a variable called mod and I've set to 7 mod 3. So this sign is the mod sign and then I'm printing it. So when I run this, it's saying 1 because 7 mod 3 is 1. And basically what modulus is the remainder after dividing a number. So when you divide two numbers, the remainder that you get is the modulus. So in suppose numbers 10 and 5, the remainder that you get is 0. So that's the modulus. And in 7 and 3, the remainder that you get is 1. So that's the number you get. After that, we've got flow division. So I can comment this print statement. So and uncomment this one. So here I've got a variable called flow division and set it to 7. Then this sign is basically a flow division sign. So 7 flow division 2. And then I'm printing it. So when I run this, it's saying 3. And so basically flow division is less than or equal to the division output. So 7 flow division 2 is 3 And then flow division can also come in negatives. So suppose we've got -7, flow division 2, so it's -4. So basically what happens in flow division is that you divide a number. So then after dividing it, then like suppose you get like a number like 4. So if you get 4 after doing a division, then you can also say 4 can also be written as 4.0, and then the number that is the absolute number that is closest to 4 is 4, because it's 4.0, so that's why it's 4. But then suppose we have another number. For example, we can take a bigger number, like we can take 68.8, and then we can do 1. So in this example, basically 68.8 flow division 1 will give us the result 68. So when I run this, it's saying 68, and this is because like it has to be also smaller than, so it can't be bigger, so that's why it's not going to 69 and it's going to 68, because it has to be smaller but an absolute number, which makes it 68. That's what flow division is.